traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving tomorrow and what are the key levels that we need to look out for. Now, like I had mentioned yesterday, now of course a lot of people have been telling on YouTube that I give this level, this happened, that happened, but I want to keep it clear. I have kept the same lines that were there yesterday, and I had told you on the same level that if Nifty opens above 15,838, then you can look for a 16,000 as a target. But however, it went up close to somewhere around, let me just map that. So it went somewhere around on a high of 15,906. So it went 62 points on a single direction. But from there, it started going sideways. Now remember, whenever it's starting to go sideways, it becomes very volatile the next day. So whenever it is sideways, it gets volatile. So if you go ahead and look at 9th of June, it was the same. When it goes sideways, it'll start spiking here and there. And then it goes sideways and does the same. So we are expecting the same thing to happen tomorrow in terms of the spikes. So until and unless if it is going to cross 15,902, then we are going to have a sideways market and it might be volatile towards the downside. So remember, tomorrow there is going to be volatility that is going to be based on a downside move. But however, Wednesdays usually there is a pure directional move. So there are two moves on Wednesday that actually come in, one before 1:30 and one after 1:30. So we need to go ahead and understand which side is the market going on the first half and then try to take a trade on the second half. So if let's say on the second half it breaks 15,839, then you can look for 15,770 as a target. And if tomorrow, if it breaks 15,902 at the later half of the day, so remember the time after 1 o'clock, then we can look at a 16,000 round number as a target. So these two targets will open up if and only if it is going to break after 1 o'clock. So this is something very important that you need to keep in mind. And also in terms of Bank Nifty has also become a complete sideways. Now I did say that if it is going to go ahead and open about 35,000 tomorrow, then it is going to go ahead and give us a target of 100 and change points, or 178 that I had mentioned yesterday. So it has achieved that target and it has given a bit more, but it failed to achieve the target which was there on the upside. So 35,417 was actually missed, and I would say it was missed by 118 points. Today we have made a decent amount of money. There were a few drawdowns in our overnight position, but somehow we managed to pull the boat. If you want to see what it is, then please visit our Telegram channel that is being listed below, so that you can go and watch there. And if you want to join our live trading forum, please go to www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us by selecting your plan. So for tomorrow, it's very clear that if and only if above 35,313 the market sustains, then we are going to have a first target of 35,436. But if that 436 is broken, then we are going to have another target of 35,745 that is going to open. But remember, between 35,000 and 35,185, it is a no trading zone. So you can use this zone as a buy on dip. But if it gets stuck inside the zone, I want you to go ahead and exit your positions. Remember, tomorrow it give you a movement on both the directions. All right. So with this movement on both the directions, there is highly likely a possibility that, they are going to ensure the premiums are adjusted. So wait for a trade until 1 o'clock. And after 1 o'clock, whichever direction the market goes, then we are going to have a very easy target at that particular point of time. So this is all mentioned here. I hope this gives you all the information that you need, and these levels help you make profits tomorrow. If there are any questions, please list them down on the comment section below. And if you have any stock specific question, please let me know so that I can answer them for you tomorrow on a swing basis. So intraday, I don't think so I would be able to accommodate, but on a swing position, I would most probably able to do that. So please use the comment section for asking your questions. So with this, I thank you so much for your time. Love you all. We'll see you once again tomorrow. Take care. Jai Hind, and bye-bye for now.